How is credit score computed? What is a credit score? If you are securing a loan from the bank, your credit score influences whether you will get the loan or not and if you get preferential interest rates. A credit score is a three-digit numbers ranging from 300 to 900. Several factors like payment history, credit utilizations, credit age, and total accounts influence the score. The majority of banks prefer a credit score above 750. We will discuss what these factors are and how they affect your score. Credit score is calculated generally by Equifax, TransUnion, CIBIL, Experian Credit Information Company, as well as Highmark Credit Information Service in India. Most banks generally use CIBIL as a reference for calculating credit scores. Factor influencing a credit score. First comes the payment history. If you want a high credit score, you need to pay all your credit dues on time, since this impacts your credit score. In addition, if you pay all your EMIs on time, this puts the banks at lower risk as the probability of you defaulting on payment is low. Good payment history will also get you preferential rates and get your loan quickly sanctioned. Second is credit utilization. Do you swipe your credit card till the last penny it can give you? Don't. Banks also see just about what percentage your card limit you are swiping to. Generally, 30% until 40% is considered favorable. So next time you use your credit card, think twice. This has a high but still lower impact than your payment history. This puts the bank at lower risk as you might not spend much, thus improving your credit score. Third is the age of credit. Have multiple credit cards and needs to close down some? Well, by all means, do not close down the old one, cause here, old is gold to get a good credit score. This shows that you are experienced with handling credit. This has a considerable impact on your credit score. Fourth comes the total accounts. The impact it has is quite low, but not to be underestimated. This shows the combinations of various types of credits you have had. The combinations of both secured and unsecured is considered ideal as it shows you have experience handling credit. Finally, there is recent credit activity. Applying for many loans or an unexpected surge in borrowings recently shows potential financial trouble and might not make you a favorable candidate for sanctioning the loan. Formula to calculate credit scores. It includes 35% of payment history, 30% of credit utilizations, 15% of age of credit, 10% of total accounts, and 10% of recent credit activity. This is the general information on credit scores. We hope you liked and understood our video. Let us know your views in the comments below.